Hi guys, I'm on a very short staycation to Sariska, which is just 3 hours drive from Gurgaon. It's a month of December and it's pretty cold outside, but today we just decided to take a very short trip and I just wanted to show you the property where we will be staying for one night. तो अब हम ऑलमोस्ट पहुंच गए हैं सरिस्का विच वॉज़ वेरी इजी ड्राइव कुछ इश्यूज़ नहीं थे ज़्यादा एंड इफ़ यू सी वी जस्ट हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स द प्रॉपर्टी सो द प्रॉपर्टी दैट वी विल बी स्टेइंग इन इज़ द उत्सव कैंप. So the moment I entered this property, I could feel it's completely on a theme jungle based. And let me show you the villa that we will be staying in. I will be putting all the details, the name of the villa and everything, but let me show you what all is there inside. So when you enter, you will have a big villa, very spacious, and of course the aesthetically very pleasing with all the amazing neutral and palette and all of those amazing colors based on the theme jungle. It's giving me literally Masai Mara vibes. So they have this big, of course, bed, then they have a couch, and the highlight of this villa is the outdoor part, guys. It's amazing, I must say. If you just see outside, it's just a private villa where in front of you you have the complete jungle, and this outdoor area also has lot of sitting area. Come, let me show you the outdoor area now. So if you see here, you have this bed. Basically, the meaning of having this bed over here is that they believe we can do stargazing. Though at the time we were there, it was super cloudy, so we couldn't see any stars. But it's something, if you go in and you are lucky enough without the clouds, then you can of course do the stargazing. Just chill here. You have the sitting area here, the lanterns and everything, and it's quite beautiful. It's quite amazing. It's just like you're staying in the middle of the jungle, very peaceful. Of course, they had a very sweet note written over here to contact the manager. And one thing to note over here is that they have made a rule that they don't allow any food service in the rooms because they feel a lot of maybe some insects or something come over there. So I think from that perspective, they don't have all of that in the room. So you have to go yourself and go to the main area for the food. And of course, this is the coffee and tea station with the fridge and everything. And this is the washroom. It's also quite spacious. Okay, now moving from the room to the common area. So this is the area where you will be having your breakfast and your lunch. And this is the complete view of the property. It's quite huge in terms of area. And this is the area where you will be having your breakfast, lunch, and it's completely outdoor. And also, yes, it also has a restaurant inside. So you can chill here, have your high tea also here, but that's not complimentary at all. And they do have a lot of experiences offered in the property which are quite expensive as what I feel, and they don't serve any complimentary high tea or anything like that. Now this is the area, this is another restaurant area which is the for the dinner, so you can have your dinner over here. Now this is the common area, and during the winters they did the bonfire over there, and they had musicians coming in, and just a pretty chill vibe. This is some kind of a cafe library where you can go and read some of the books, and especially for people in wildlife enthusiasts, there are a lot of books. And this is the area, the same villa area outdoors. They had the lanterns, the candles and everything. So this was the setup they did for us, but it was very nice.